Doesn't this just look like somebody's shavar kameez? They literally just tore it apart and made a shirt out of it. Oh, that's your nani's shalwar kameez. Oh, look at the Coco bag. This is such a Coco Chanel jacket. And the non-stop of black. Like black can go so far. You better love me, I'm tired of recording. Just in case you want a leash for your dog, you know where to come. There's more sales. Let's see if the line has gone down. No, not yet. Oh, and there's a men's section. Men. Look at that. Look at that finesse. Finesse. We could find something for the hubs over here. Some fancy things. Ooh, nice. Ajay Devgan jacket.
We're so glad you're here. For everyone's safety, let's all keep our Facebook groups over our nose and mouth at all times. And follow the markings on the floor near the cash wrap and hidden ones to keep social distance from one another. Let's all express together and help keep ourselves and each other safe. Thank you so much.
I have my eye on one suit. The navy blue one. So cute. A man would totally fancy that. Oh, and they have jewelry thing. Oh my god, that's so cute. I think my brother would like this. What is this? It's a choker for men. I mean, wow, great. That's awesome. Hey, Jackie Schroff's boots just entered. Hey, say hello. And this is 50% off. It's 30 to 50% off for men on Express Inside. Say hello. This is the Shake Shack. We have Ulta there, the AMC. Lots of good stuff. We have, this is the opening of the mall. Say hi to YouTube. So, we have the big Christmas tree. When I was younger, we used to have only one Christmas tree in the mall. So now there's one outside and one inside that we saw earlier. You know how they say shop till you drop? Literally about to drop right now. Let's take this party home. Beautiful day today.